Hello guys, and today I am going to show you the fix of 16 GB physical memory to run error. So if you have 16 GB RAM inside your PC and this error is showing, then this is the video for you, and I am pretty sure your problem will be fixed by this because there isn't any other video in YouTube and I have just fixed this error. So let's go. So why does this error actually comes? This error comes because you don't have the physical memory, the total full physical memory allotted to your system. This is because let's say you have 16 GB of RAM, but 2 GB of RAM is allotted to VRAM, like the integrated GPU, the iGPU. For example, let me show you mine. If I go to my system information, now I have a total of 15.4 GB physical memory from a total of 16 GB. So only 500 MB of mine is allocated to VRAM, the iGPU. But in yours, it might be 13.9 GB or lower than that. Okay, so I will tell you how to fix that. First you have to shut down your PC from here and go into configuration and scroll down to the frame buffer size. Okay, and now you have to allocate only 500 MB to the iGPU, and you just need to save it by pressing the F10 key and pressing accept, and your laptop will restart accordingly. 4 GB or not. Okay, and if it is, then your game will work. You just have to go to the okay, let's say this is your icon. You have to go open file location and you have to open this game, and now we have come upon another error. Okay, so this error we will fix. This how can I fix this error? Is it is opening the Epic Game Store, so we don't want it to open the Epic Game Store, but the game is opening and closing. So what we can do is we can create a shortcut. So what we will do is first we will select it and press show more options and create a shortcut, and just open properties and shortcut. Inside you have to press okay, so inside the target, press a space bar, a dash, and type in Epic Portal, EPIC PORTAL, where E is in caps, P is in caps. Okay, Epic Portal, and you have to press on apply and okay. And now when you will click the shortcut, then your game will open. You will see you might see this if you have a GPU lower than RTX 3060, 6 GB VRAM, but you can just ignore it and click OK, and your game will successfully open and you will enjoy your game. Okay.